Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant April 15th release. This is Rena. Happy spring, friends. We are kicking off day one with a fun agenda set. Remember to leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. First up, we have Little Hedgehog Agenda, and I always get so excited when there's a new agenda set. I love these guys. They were so fun to color. My favorite one is the bottom second one because I think he looks like a taco. And I know there's a Mama Elephant fan out there who's been wanting a hedgehog set, so I am so happy for her. When I found out this set was coming out, I nearly cried for her. I was like so happy, and it's so cute too. Here's a look at the coordinating dies for Little Hedgehog Agenda. And next is Emerald Package. It's a fun tag set. I love all the pieces. I used all of them for today's projects. I'm using Copic Markers today. Here are the colors that I used, along with the Nina 110 paper, as well as the My Favorite Things Extreme Black Hybrid ink. I'm using warm grays, so I'm starting off with the belly in W1, and the little hairs I'm coloring in W3, and then I'm darkening things up with W5 and blending out with W3 again. So the voiceovers might get a little awkward because I'm voiceovering in the master bedroom because I got scared in my room because I got freaked out because the printer turned on by itself. So I don't want to go in there. So I'm in the master bedroom and my hubby is playing video games and my dogs are snoring. So that's that. I'm coloring the first four. I colored the whole thing on camera, but it was a little bit repetitive because I'm coloring all of them in the same way, but I'm slowing the speed down on these first four slower than I normally do. So the accent color that I'm using for all the little things that the hedgehogs are holding is red. So I'm using R11, R20, R21, R20, R22. And for there's one green color that I used, and I used a G24. Here's what it looks like all colored, and I love the warm grays. Here's what they look like all cut out. Mama Elephant will also be having a little cheat sheet on their website to help you out with the coordinating dies. Here's a look at the Emerald Package Creative Cuts. It comes with 4 dies and they're all different sizes. They have one that you can use as a background and the 3 there are used as tags. So I've cut them all out so you can see what they look like, and I love all the different shapes, and I had a lot of fun just making different things with all the different pieces. I'm using previously released Creative Cuts. This is Mushroom Home. I am so into mushrooms right now, so I wanted to use that one. I'm also using previously released Birthday Wishes for the sentiments on these projects. I'm going to start off with the smallest tag, and I'll be just doing them all the same way. I'm going to be using one of the Birthday Wishes sentiments, and then I'm going to add some of the mushrooms from Mushroom Home. Mushroom Home has 3 different sizes of mushrooms that you can make, and it's so cute. The biggest one you can make a house, and there's a medium sized one, and the tiny ones here that you can cut out and make little accents for your cards. So I thought I would use this along with the Little Hedgehog Agenda. It's so fun putting these mushrooms together. So this is the medium sized mushroom. I'm taking a Birthday Wishes sentiment, and I'm stamping it directly on the mushroom stem, and then I'm just putting it together, and the medium and larger ones have these gill accents that I'm also using. It also has some dots that you can put on the mushroom cap, which is really cute. So I'm doing those as well. For this one, I wanted to use my favorite image, the taco hedgehog. I just love him so much. I thought it was so cute, him perching on top of it. So I'm adhering it to one of the tag dies from Emerald Package. Here is the one that looks like a little bag. That one is my favorite one. I use that quite a bit for my projects this month. So I'm doing that medium-sized mushroom on there, and I'm going to add a little one as well, and then I'm going to add the different hedgehogs, and I wanted to use the one with the umbrella and the balloons. I like making these smaller size projects because it's easy to fill up the space and it looks so nice with just a little bit of images. So next I'll be making a card, still using the mushroom home die, also the largest background piece in the emerald package, but I've put together the mushroom house already, and it comes with this cute little door. I'm stamping the sentiment directly onto the stem, and then I'm adding as many hedgehogs as I can to the card. Since the mushroom cap is red, I wanted to select the hedgehogs that had the red in them, so they're holding things. So I'm picking the ones that are holding the hearts and the apples, just so I can repeat that red color at the bottom. When you cut the frame, it has an inside piece too. I wanted it the same color, so I just taped it together so it'd be easy to adhere all of these images on top of it. So once I'm done adhering all of the pieces, I'm going to adhere the whole thing to a card base, and I'm calling this card done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.